Okay, here's the last box I broke while I was in Baltimore. It's a box of 2012 Bowman Platinum Baseball. For opening this at the Topps booth, I received a Bowman Platinum 25 card set, the blue foil set, number to 499. And here's what I got. I'll start off with some of my rookies, serial numbered cards, and I'll move on to my hits. Got a Bryce Harper, Cepedis rookie, Yu Darvish rookie, Anthony Ghost blue, number to 199, Sonny Gray green, number to 399, Chad James green, number to 399, now I'll move on to my hits. Got a Danielle Corsino on-card autograph, and then I got two redemptions. First one is for a Guillermo Pimentel autograph prospect green refractor. My last redemption is for an Anthony Ghost Auto Jumbo Relic Refractor. Would also like to note, out of my Bowman Platinum Blue foil parallel set I got at the Topps booth, I also pulled a Jared Parker autograph numbered 8 of 10. So that was pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. I will talk to you later.